are those who put dates on the Planet X, Nemesis-Nibiru, system arrival. But the emphasis should be on the real indicators of its arrival. The ever-increasing and intensification of Earth changes now occurring. Several Earth changes that are now ongoing are indicators of increased Earth wobble, which in turn should tell us a pole shift event is imminent. All this indicates to us that the Nemesis-Nibiru system has arrived in our neighborhood, the inner solar system. In fact, some researchers such as Marshall Masters of Yahoo.com say that at least Nibiru itself has crossed the orbit of Earth on the other side of the Sun and is approaching perihelion, closest point to our Sun, in its orbit. However, within the past few months it seems the Earth wobble has gotten much greater, with a shift of about 8 degrees north. Interestingly, the 2017 storm track has shifted about 8 degrees north as well. This Earth wobble has intensified even more within this last month, August, and so has the extreme weather. What has happened along the coasts of South America has shown how intense this Earth wobble phenomenon has become. The spring tides and king tides mentioned in these higher truth videos are not normal. They are, for certain, an end times phenomenon that has manifested and increased within the last decade or so. They are definite indicators of Earth wobble, and the beginning of polar axis shift, and thus, indicators of the Planet X system arrival in our inner solar system. Such Earth wobble tides along coastlines caused by the presence of a celestial intruder are the very things warned of in an old prophecy of St. Hildegard, 1098–1179. This reminds us of what devastation Hurricane Harvey caused and all the tidal flooding in various parts of the world, with areas permanently underwater, causing inhabitants to seek higher ground. These king tides will only get worse, as will all other Earth changes as this Planet X system gets closer. Major Ed Dames and others have indicated that Planet X will become naked eye visible late this year, November to December, when it comes out from behind the Sun. As it makes its way on its outbound journey, it will pass between our Earth and the Sun. That is when all hell breaks loose, as some researchers have said. It follows then that the powers that be, knowing what is coming and will cause an economic collapse and societal chaos anywhere from 3 to 6 months in advance of this springtime event. Whether this all pans out as outlined above remains to be seen, but it does fit the 2015 to 2020 window of passage for Planet X, as given by government insiders way back in 1989. So we will just have to wait and see how accurate the above scenario is. For sure, the best way to tell of this impending cataclysm is by its signs and indicators, Earth changes. So don't worry about dates, as the real indicators are the major signs of Earth wobble and king tides, as well as seismic and volcanic activity and extreme weather intensifying. Time is, for sure, shortening, as this celestial intruder moves ever closer to perihelion, so prepare now as time is fast running out.